You would think in a democratic state that says it's a pro-choice state that a woman who had chosen to stop her abortion process through abortion pills would be given that choice. But I guess we would be wrong in Colorado, right?
So it would seem, but thankfully a federal court stepped in and at least on a preliminary basis struck down the abortion pill reversal ban and will allow doctors to provide that care going forward to women who want it.
Yeah, big victory.
Absolutely. So for those who oppose the availability or the use of this drug, what on earth is their reasoning? I mean, like John said, this is a choice.
It's really puzzling because as you say, it just doesn't make any sense that when you've got a willing patient there saying that this is a medical treatment that she wants, that she knows what it does, she understands the minimal risks, then it's amazing for a state to say that she can't obtain that stuff. But the reality is it's safe, it's effective. There's absolutely no reason this shouldn't be available everywhere.
Yeah. This is a big issue that ADF has helped work on, because in the era of cancel culture, one of the things that has happened is that the government has insinuated itself in the private relationship between healthcare providers and their patients. In this case, you had a nurse that was simply trying to provide the best medical care for her patient based on that patient's wishes, and the state was preventing that from happening. You represented the nurse. She told her story along with the mom at your summit. The patient-doctor relationship has taken a lot of intrusions in the last few years.
Well, it certainly has, and particularly in places like Colorado, where it's kind of amazing that they want to allow children to access and be foisted upon treatments that are incredibly dangerous and incredibly abusive. But then you get a situation like this one where you've got something that's safe and effective, allows a woman to carry a child to term, and Colorado says no. I mean, the political agenda is on full display.
Yeah, that it is.
So I feel sure that the opposing side really exploited, as you called, the minimal risks. But what are the risks? Are there medical risks to the mom? Are there medical risks to the baby of reversing the abortion drug?
Well, the primary thing at play is that it doesn't, like most things, it doesn't always work. It's something that you can try. It depends on the point at which the woman gets there and begins the process. But the actual risks, if it doesn't work, are extremely minimal. So again, as long as you've got a willing patient giving informed consent, understanding what's going on, and knowing that this is a procedure that may or may not work, then there's no reason not to let them try it.
Yeah.